Hello everybody. This video will review right-hand rules. There are two right-hand rules. The first one is going to tell us the direction of magnetic field around a current carrying wire. So again, important to remember that the only time you use this right-hand rule is when you're trying to figure out direction of magnetic field around a current carrying wire. You must have a current carrying wire. For this rule, the thumb is going to be the direction of current, and our fingers, notice that they're curled, are going to tell us the direction of a magnetic field at any point around that current carrying wire. So if, for example, we had a wire carrying current as so, the magnetic field would be in a circle around that wire. So, for example, if you're given the following question, you have current flowing out of the board, and you want to figure out the direction of the magnetic field at this point. The way you would use this rule is, as I said, you line up your thumb, which is the direction of current, with what it is, and then you rotate your hand until your fingers are where you're trying to find the magnetic field. So in this case, the fingers are pointed downwards, therefore the magnetic field is going to be downwards. I strongly advise that you do this on your test or whenever you're doing your homework. Really take your right hand and line it up with the direction of current that's on your paper. I mean, really put your hand down on the paper and rotate your hand that way, or I guess rotate the paper if you'd like to. And that will work. The second right-hand rule is going to tell us the direction of force that a magnetic field produces on a moving charge. Important to remember the charge has to be moving in order for there to be a force exerted on it. So for this rule, the thumb is once again going to be the direction of moving charge, the direction of velocity. Our fingers are going to represent magnetic field lines in this case, and our palm is going to represent the force. Now again, this is only true if it's a moving positive charge. If the charge is negative, then the direction of the force is going to be opposite to the direction of the palm. So let's look at an example. If, for example, we had magnetic field going up along the board, and we had a positive moving charge to the right with some velocity. Once again, I highly advise that you put your hand right up on your paper, line up your thumb with the direction of moving charge, with the direction of velocity. Your fingers line up with the direction of magnetic field, and we know that the force, in our case, is going to be out of the board. One iteration of the second rule is if instead of having one charge moving, we would have a lot of charge moving. So for example, if we had a current flowing through a wire. So if instead of the charge moving, we had current flowing to the right, our thumb now becomes a direction of current flow. So again, current is flowing to the right, magnetic field is up. That means the force on this wire is going to be out of the board. Good luck on your test.